So most people solve this question like 8 plus 8 is equal to 16 times 8, then divide by 8. Now 16 times 8 is equal to 128 divided by 8. 128 divided by 8 is equal to 16. But this answer is not correct. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, and second priority is exponents. Third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So in this problem we have one division and one multiplication. Then it's all divided by 8. So we can write this question like in this parenthesis 8 plus 8 times 8, then it's all divided by 8. Now first priority is parenthesis, right? So in the parenthesis we have one addition and one multiplication. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve multiplication and then we have to solve addition. So first priority is multiplication. So 8 plus, now solve this multiplication, 8 times 8 is equal to 64 divided by 8. Now 8 plus 64 is equal to 72, right? Divided by 8. Now 72 divided by 8 is equal to 9. So the correct answer is 9, right? If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.